Have you ever joined a conversation in a chat room and had no clue what everyone was talking about, but were too shy to ask? Hey traders, this video is going to be an overview of the most commonly used terminology and language within the world of trading. If you are new to trading or still learning, this is going to be great information for you if you are just getting your feet wet and need to learn the basics of trading in today's market. In this video, I will cover many of the terms, definitions, and calculations you hear me using in my videos, but it is not intended to be an exhaustive list. If you're interested, I will be posting a separate video on Trader Slang, as well as trading calculations and other helpful tools, including weekly hot stock picks. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, then please subscribe to my channel and stay posted for my latest videos to help you grow as a trader. So let's get into it. Analyst rating. So the first term we have is analyst ratings. So analysts are people who work for the brokerage firms. Their job is to provide reviews and ratings on the various stocks that they are assigned to. Their opinions are heavily relied upon in order for investors and mutual funds to make determinations as to whether to buy, sell, or hold onto a stock for the future. The drawback of being an analyst for a major brokerage is that there is looming pressure and expectation for them to provide a favorable review for the stocks that they are analyzing. Because if they offer an unfavorable review, the stock price can plummet, thus having a domino effect on companies' executives, business partnerships, deals, and ultimately the bottom line. Independent analysts, however, offer a non-biased stock review and are free from financial interest or stake in the stock that they are reviewing. Now, each brokerage firm has different terms and expressions for describing a stock's potential. You may hear the following terms, which I'll get to in a minute. The column they are located under tells you if the term has a positive, neutral, or negative effect on the stock. So, for positive ratings, we have buy, strong buy, market, outperform, and overweight. Neutral ratings, we have hold, market, perform. Negative ratings, we have sell, market, underperform, and underweight. In addition to this list, there are also stock valuations given by analysts, such as undervalued and overvalued. An overvalued stock has a share price that is not justified by its earnings outlook or PE ratio. This is often interpreted as too expensive in relation to what it is worth. An example of an overvalued stock is Tesla, as its earnings do not justify its current share price or PE ratio. An overvalued stock need not be deemed as positive or negative. Bullish traders may choose to sell out of long positions of overvalued stocks and get back into them at a lower price point when the stock price falls back in line with the market. Similarly, bearish traders can also use overvalued stocks to short a position, making a profit when the price drops. Essentially, overvalued stocks are expected to go lower in the near future. An undervalued stock has a low share price and PE ratio. This is often interpreted as being on sale or cheap. A company that has a low PE ratio may be undervalued due to being in financial or legal trouble. An example of an undervalued stock is AAL. Bullish traders may choose to buy more substantial positions of undervalued stock in order to make bigger gains in the future as the price rises. Essentially, undervalued stocks are expected to go higher in the near future. Averaging down means to hold shares at one price and buy additional lower priced shares so that the average price from all your shares reflects an overall lower share purchase price. Averaging up means to hold shares at one price and buying additional higher price shares so that the average price from all your shares reflects an overall higher share purchase price. Average volume is the average number of all of the shares traded of a stock daily. A higher value shows how popular a stock is or how much interest there is in the stock currently. you can compare the day's volume to the average volume to see if a certain day was more popular than the average. The formula for calculating this is you take the sum of all traded volume over a defined period and divide it by X number of days. For example, AAL traded 64 million shares on April 24th in comparison to its average daily volume of 46 million shares, indicating that April 24th was a very popular day. Bear, bearish, short, and short biased. These are all terms to describe a trader who trades a stock with the expectation that it will decrease in price. Bull, bullish, long, long biased. These are all terms to describe a trader who trades a stock with the expectation that it will increase in price. Cash is the income or cash from operations or savings. Essentially, it is the money a business has on hand. Debt includes assets or loans that must be paid off. Essentially, it is the money a business owes to its debtors. Cash to debt ratio is a percentage score used to reflect a company's financial health. A higher value indicates good financial health and a greater ability to repay debt. A lower value indicates poor financial health and less ability to repay debt. This can be used in various ways, which I will demonstrate. To determine financial health, you take the total cash and divide it by total debt. For example, AAL has a total cash of $3.83 billion and a total debt of $33.44 billion. This results in a cash to debt ratio of 11.45%, which is not a very high score. So this reflects poor financial health within this company. You can also use cash to debt ratio to determine how long it would take a company to pay back all of its debt in number of years. To calculate this, you take 100 and divide it by the cash to debt ratio, and this gives you the years it would take to repay the debt. For example, AAL has a cash to debt ratio of 11.45%. 100 divided by 11.45 equals 8.7. This demonstrates that it would take approximately 8.7 years for AAL to pay off their debt at the present rate. Calls are a traded stock option with the expectation that it will increase in price and meet or exceed its target price. Puts are a traded stock option with the expectation that it will decrease in price and meet or exceed its target price. The discount or percentage off shows how cheap or how low a stock is from its regular or projected value. Bullish traders can use this value to buy stocks deemed to be on sale in order to make a profit when they rise back up again. To calculate this, you take the old stock price minus the new stock price and divide it by the old stock price to get the percentage off. For example, AAL current share price is $10.31 and 52-week high is $35.24. This tells us that AAL stock is currently at 71% discount from its 52-week high. The dividend is a sum paid to all of the shareholders annually or quarterly for investing in the stock. To calculate this, you take the dividend and multiply it by shares owned. For example, AAL currently has an annual dividend of 40 cents per share and 10 cents quarterly. So if you held 200 shares of the stock before the qualifying date, you would receive $80 annually or $20 quarterly in dividends. Earnings per share serve as an indicator of a company's profitability. This is expressed as the EPS and indicates how much money a company makes per share of stock. It is a widely used metric for corporate profits. To calculate this, you take the net profit and divide it by the number of common shares outstanding. A higher EPS indicates more value because investors will pay more for a company with higher profits. For example, in Q4 2019, Tesla reported an earnings beat of $2.14 EPS per share versus the expected EPS of $1.72 per share. This was a pleasant surprise to its investors, and the stock subsequently rallied to new highs after that. Float or free float shares indicate the number of shares currently available to the general public. This does not include restricted shares held by company executives, partners, employees, and the government. To calculate this, you take the total shares minus the restricted shares. For example, Tesla free float shares are 143.78 million. Companies often manipulate the free float shares to their advantage by restricting the amount of free float shares available in order to keep the stock price high. The forward PE, or price to earnings ratio, reflects the earnings potential and projected future growth of a company. A higher value indicates more future growth, while a lower value indicates less future growth. To calculate this, you take the stock price and divide it by the earnings per share, or EPS. For example, Tesla is a notoriously overvalued stock with a forward PE ratio of 123%. The reason it is overvalued is because Tesla has never had a completely profitable year. Therefore, its earnings have not caught up to, nor do they reflect the forward PE ratio. Gains and losses indicates an amount gained or lost. To calculate this, you take the sell price minus the purchase price. Gap up, gap down describes a volatile stock which either increases or decreases in price rapidly, often skipping over a previously defined support or resistance zone. Volatility is a percentage score reflecting the amount of range in stock prices that a stock trades at. This indicates the degree of variation in a set of traded stock prices from their mean price. A higher volatility indicates a greater price range, while a lower volatility indicates a lesser price range. To calculate this, you take the standard deviation or square root of variance from the mean price of a stock. For example, AAL volatility is currently 74.67%. Volatility can be looked at as current versus historical volatility. This will be the difference between daily highs and lows or 52-week highs and lows. So, for example, you take the standard deviation of the mean difference between the highs and the lows over a defined period of time, and the standard deviation or square root of the variance from the mean equals the stock volatility. Volatility also indicates how liquid a stock is. A high liquidity is beneficial for short-term price action-based trading. The higher the volatility, the higher the liquidity. For example, AAL volatility is currently 74.67%, meaning it is highly liquid. An investment is the total amount of stock purchased. To calculate this, you take the number of shares multiplied by the stock price. For example, if we were to purchase 400 shares of AAL at $10 per share, this equals an investment of $4,000. Low float is a company with a low amount of publicly available shares, usually causing extremely volatile stock prices. Market cap is the total value of all of a company's shares combined. To calculate this, you take the company's shares and multiply it by the stock price. For example, Tesla has a market cap of $133.71 billion. Percent increase reflects a stock's growth. It can be used as an indication of future growth because it shows how volatile and profitable the stock has been. To calculate this, you take the new stock price minus the old stock price and divide it by the old stock price and then multiply by 100. A percentage increase in the hundreds or thousands means that the stock has doubled in value multiple times, so therefore it doubled, tripled, quadrupled, and so on. For example, AHPI share value grew from $2.46 to $14.20 in the period from February 21st to April 17th. So this demonstrates a percent increase of 477%, which is of course an extremely high growth spurt in the triple digits. Now, bullish traders can use this value to assess how much the stock can potentially grow in the future. And bearish traders can also use this value to short stocks at their peak as they naturally come back down from their inflated prices. Risk management describes the act of taking measures and mitigating risk factors in order to prevent or minimize financial losses from trading. This includes, but is not limited to, strategies such as not trading with using more than 1% of your account at a time per trade, locking in profits early, not being greedy, trying to catch the whole move in one go, and always setting a stop loss or trailing stop loss once you're into a position. Scanner is a program or application that searches for potentially profitable stocks based on a set of values that you put in. Short selling involves borrowing shares from a brokerage, usually at a higher price, with the expectation that a stock or security will drop in price, and then selling the shares back to the brokerage at a lower price, with the difference in price being the profit that is retained by the trader. The short-term or long-term outlook is an analysis of a stock's potential value or performance in the near or long-term future. A share is a unit of ownership representing a certain value in a company or commodity. Speculative is a hypothetical assumption about a stock's behavior. The stock market is the place where people buy and sell stocks of publicly traded companies or commodities. A trader is a person who buys and sells stocks. Trading is the act of buying or selling a stock. Trading plan is a description of a stock trading strategy comprised of an entry and exit or buy and sell point in order to make a profit. An 8K report is a press release, update, or announcement from a company. A 10Q report is a formal quarterly or financial statement from a company detailing earnings, losses, EPS, and future guidance. Quarterly earnings reports are as follows: Q1 being from January 1st to March 31st, Q2 being from April 1st to June 30th, Q3 being from July 1st to September 30th, and Q4 being from October 1st to December 31st. So this concludes the trader terms and definitions list, and I do hope that you found this list educational, and if you did find value in it, please give me a thumbs up, as it really does help me out. And again, I will be posting a separate video on Trader Slang, which contains unofficial language that you'll hear used across chat rooms and social media platforms alike. So do stay tuned for that video. And if you would like help with planning your trades as well as finding the best stocks to invest in, then please don't hesitate to reach out to me on Instagram at Trade With Me. That's a 3, not an E at the end. And you can also follow me for an instant follow back. And now it's your turn. Let me know in the comments if there are any terms and definitions that you would like explained. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And please subscribe and stay tuned, and as I will be coming out with new tutorials as well as the hottest stock picks each week. And with that, I do thank you for watching, and stay safe, people. Peace out.